Hi guys, this is the cool down for Unit 4, Lesson 15. Number 1, find each nearest multiple for the number 248,640. Use the number lines if they are helpful. So guys, we are using this number for each question, okay? So for A, it says the nearest multiple of 100,000. So what I'm going to do is go to the 100,000s place, which is a 2. And I'm going to think, is this number closer to 200,000 or 300,000? And it's closer to 200,000 because 50,000 would be in the middle. And if I look right here, it's 48,000, which is less than 50,000. So my nearest multiple is 200,000. Let's look at B. Okay, almost everybody got A, but then B, we started to get confused. Now it says the nearest multiple of 10,000. So I'm going to go to my 10,000s place, and I'm going to think, okay, is 248,640 closer to 240,000 or 250,000? Okay, a lot of you guys just thought of it as 40,000 or 50,000. But you guys, there's another 200,000 we can't forget about. So my nearest multiple, well, 48,000 is closer to 50,000 than 40,000. So my nearest multiple would be 250,000. Okay, for the last one, for C, now we're looking at the thousands place. And again, you guys all just kind of ignored the beginning and told me 8 or 9,000. And that is not correct. We're looking at the thousands place, but we still have 240,000 in front of it. Now we're thinking, is it closer to 248,000 or 249,000? Well, 640 would put this number closer to 249,000. Okay? So many of you just told me 8,000 or 9,000. Guys, you got to remember the first part of your number. If we were talking about money, that's a lot of money to leave off. Okay, then question 2. What is the nearest multiple of 1,000 and multiple of 10,000 for the number 173,500? Okay, so it's the same thing, you guys, just they combine two questions into one. So if I start with thousands, I'm going to underline my thousands place. It's a 3, and I'm going to think, is this number closer to 173,000 or 174,000? 500 puts us closer to 174,000. Then you guys had to look at the 10,000s place, and that is the 7. And we're thinking, is this closer to 170,000 or 180,000? And it would be 170,000. That looked like a 6. It's a 0. Okay, guys, that is your cool down. Focus on the place for each of these questions, okay? Think about how that affects your number. All right, guys.